I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money from a farm corporation to a tax-free savings account, eliminating the tax completely and creating no tax consequences from that transfer. The net result is you're going to be able to get tax-free assets outside of your farm or out of your farm corporation. So we have here the Farm Corp. What we're going to do is we're going to take your RRSP, your existing RRSP accounts and tax-free savings accounts, and what we are going to do is we are going to sell them to cash. That means we are not necessarily withdrawing them out of those accounts, but we're just selling it to cash. So we're just creating cash inside here. Then what we are going to do is we are going to have the RRSP and the TFSA invest in special purpose mortgages on a residential property or even your own farm or farmland, which means that you are in essence lending money to yourself backed by the property or the farm property that you have. The proceeds then are sent to you in order to invest. And this often is just going to be replacing the investments that you had inside your RRSP and your TFSA. Don't have to enhance risk. In fact, a lot of times you want to reduce risk. But the main advantage is that when you borrow to invest, even though you're indirectly borrowing from yourself, that creates 100% tax deduction, which means that those tax deductions are going to reduce your income tax that you pay that year. But because you have these tax deductions, what we have to do then is we have to make the mortgage payments on that money borrowed. But since you're making the mortgage payments back to yourself indirectly, what we're going to do is we're going to take money out of your farm corporation and send it to you on a consistent basis to make these mortgage payments. But because we borrowed the RRSP in first position at 3% and the TFSA at 15% because it's in a second mortgage position, we are able to funnel more and more assets to your tax-free savings account directly from your farm corporation each month. But remember that because we borrowed to invest and these mortgage payments are tax deductible, there is no tax on this transfer or this withdrawal whatsoever. This is by far the most effective way that we can show our farming clients how to transfer money from a farm corporation and their farming business to their tax-free savings account free of tax. So if you have questions or would like to learn more about this, reach out to us at precedencewealth.com. We're happy to walk through a specific scenario to show you how this can benefit your farming business and show you how to maximize your wealth and reduce tax.